So now we will learn how we can add multiple files from a folder. The thing is, only thing is that those files should be in a same format. Like if it's in Excel format, that will be in Excel. If it's in CSV, all files should be in CSV. So it will take all files with the similar format from a folder. So how we can append all the files with the same extension from a particular folder, from a single folder. So let's see how we can do this. So we go to first of all data, and after going to data we have a new query here. So we will go here, and from new query, from files we will take from folder. So we have to select that particular folder, or even give the path of that folder where certain files are added. So from folder I will go there. So this is our folder, from monthly folder. So first of all I would like to show you its which files are there in that folder. So I just open this and just go to my sales data, and this is our sales monthly folder. So we have these files: January, February, March, April, May. Okay, so all these are file here. So I just open one file and show you how its file look. So what data they have. So these files have such data. So these files have like some salesman, product, month and sales. Similarly we have data in the other sheets also. So we have different files, and like if you will go to June file, here we have the data like salesman, product. So we have data of different salesmen according to month and their sales. So how we can append them from a folder. So now we have gone to data, new, from files, and then I will go to from folders. So I will take that particular folder, sales folder. So we have to take the path of that folder wherever we have put all these files. So I click on this sales monthly and then click OK. Now we have window, and it is showing name of all the file. All files are XLSV, XLSX extensions. So what we need to do, we go here in the combine and say combine and transform data. After doing this, a new screen will open. So first line I will just click over this and then just press OK. So now it sheets evaluating. Sheet 1 is evaluating the data, and now this converted into a Power Query editor. Now we can see all the data appended in one file, and what we need to do, we need just click close and load from here. So after clicking this, we have file data from all the files. So January, February, March, May, whatever number of fees like month we have. So it added all the data.